Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I am going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on August 18, 2022, 3-star Sudoku, 4th grade. We are 6 and 7. So 6 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column H, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 3. 5th row, we already have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. 6th grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 4, 5. 5th row, we have 1 and 4. So 1 and 4 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then 6th grade, only 1 number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. 5th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 7, 8, 9. Column F, we have 7 and 8. So 7 and 8 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. Column D, we already have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then 5th row, only 1 number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. 7th row, 4 numbers are remaining, 2, 4, 6, 9. 5th grade, we have 4 and 9. So 4 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 6. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 5th grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 5, 8. Column E, column G, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells, then 5 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 8. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 6th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 6. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column D, 3 numbers are remaining, 4, 9, 5. 10th row, we have 4 and 5. So 4 and 5 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. 4th grade, we already have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then column D, only 1 number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. 4th grade, only 1 number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. 10th row and 8th row, column B, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Column C, we have 1 and 9. So 1 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. 4th row, we already have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Column B, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 6, 8. 7th grade, we already have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 8. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then 4th grade, only 1 number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. 7th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 7. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column C, 3 numbers are remaining, 4, 6, 8. 2nd row, 3rd row, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 6. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 4th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 4, 6. Column J, we have 3 and 6. So 3 and 6 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then only 1 number is remaining, 4, 4 is confirmed here. Column J, we have 4, so 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here, then 1 is here. Column J, 3 numbers are remaining, 5, 7, 9, 9th grade, we have 5, so 5 can't come in these cells, then 5 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 9, 10th row, we already have 9, so 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here, then 7 is here. 10th row, we have 7, so 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here, then 3 is here. 9th row and 10th row, we have 3, so 3 can't come in these cells, then 3 is confirmed here. Column G, we have 3, so 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here, then 8 is here. Column E, we have 3, so 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. 8th row and 9th row, we have 1, so 1 can't come in these cells, then 1 is confirmed here. 8th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 8, it will come in one of the 2 cells, we will confirm later. Ninth grade, we have 7, so 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. Third grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 9, it will come in one of the 2 cells, we will confirm later. Column I, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 8, it will come in one of the 2 cells, we will confirm later. 9th row, column E, we have 6, so 6 can't come these cells, then 6 is confirmed here. Column G, we have 6, so 6 can't come in this cell, 6 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. Column F, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 3. Third row, we have 2, so 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here, then 3 is here. 9th row, we have 2, so 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here, then 8 is here. 8th row, only 1 number is remaining, 8 is confirmed here. Column B, only 1 number is remaining, 2 is confirmed here. 10th row, only 1 number is remaining, 8 is confirmed here. 9th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 9. Column E, we have 7, so 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here, then 9 is here. Column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 9. Second row, we have 1, so 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here, then 9 is here. Second row, we have 9, so 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. Second row, we have 6, so 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here, then 4 is here. Column E, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 4. Second row, we have 4, so 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.